The formation process is the final stage of battery cell manufacturing. It covers everything from the first charge to final surface inspection. Chroma provides a complete range of automated turnkey solutions to support this critical step. The battery cell formation and grading test system inspects cell characteristics and performance with precision and reliability. The automated battery cell transition system ensures high-speed, stable transfer between test stations to keep production smooth. The formation management system delivers oversight with sequence control, equipment monitoring, and comprehensive test data collection. For pouch cells, the formation and grading test system provides complete solutions designed for consistency and scalability. This includes formation decks for pouch cells in multiple configurations. Chroma also offers dedicated systems for OCV, ACIR, and DCIR testing of pouch cells. Specialized test decks for these measurements are available in two formats, offering flexibility for manufacturers. To ensure long-term accuracy, the system includes an auto-calibration kit designed specifically for pouch cells. For cylindrical cells, Chroma delivers a full formation system with dedicated formation decks that support high-volume production. Pre-charge systems for cylindrical cells add another layer of safety and efficiency with integrated pre-charge decks. OCV and ACIR test systems for cylindrical cells are supported by dedicated decks for thorough verification. The lineup also includes auto-calibration kits for cylindrical cells, as well as formation systems and decks for prismatic cells. Chroma's automation equipment streamlines handling with tray conveyors, pick-and-place stations, grouping equipment, and multi-layer conveyor systems, all built for speed and stability. Additional automation features like barcode binding equipment and rework sorters provide traceability and efficient quality management. The formation management system ties everything together, connecting testers, formation systems, barcode tools, aging rooms, grouping equipment, and servers for a fully integrated workflow. Its route-setting functions make it simple to configure and control test sequences. And with workstation supervision, engineers gain access to WIP reports, verification reports, and detailed cell-level data. To learn more, visit chromausa.com.